I was just about to say that's what it sound like. All that stop popping and dropping.
Them bitches fly off for no reason, bro. I always got to stop on the headers on that bitch to stop the door.
This a project right here though.
But we can just, if we get shut down, we can just have somebody.
Now they want to stop. Yeah, PJ ass it. That motherfucker, you right there. I know, I thought. I thought damn, what's his name was gonna park back there with us.
Hang on, JT, I'm coming.
Somebody shoot me. Somebody shoot the shit, man.
Where y'all parked at?
We in the back. Huh? Nah, I don't know. I don't think a Hellcat sound like that. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. That don't sound good too. I said,
Vaughn just did that truck. One of them just did that truck.
for real.
No, I am.
I think that's the same.
I swear, Garrett shit is so fucking loud.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm telling you, bro. He said it's not even loud enough for him. He don't even have headers on it.
Bro, he got a whole stage 3 clutch in that bitch.
I told him once
He's
he
about to supercharge it.
I told him once he do them headers, it's over.
Hey, watch out for the Dodge Ford.
Oh, it's gonna get crazy.
Hey, you going out to fucking
Talking about the mall? Yeah, I'm going. You know I'm going. I'm ready for that football game.
that bitch, aren't you?
Huh?
You sliding that bitch, aren't
Yeah, that bitch crazy. Hold on, slide well. Hold on, what you talking about?
you? Bro, hot boy and chill, everybody slides.
Hold on, I ain't hear about that.
I did.
No, I ain't hear. When is it?
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow. That shit I won.
That's what's tomorrow night.
I thought we was
what,
practicing. I thought we was
Gloucester?
practicing tomorrow for the football joint. Yeah, I'm going in. Shoot, where is that?
I think it's out Gloucester.
Gloucester?
Yeah.
Oh,
I think that's where it's starting at. But them hot boy meets, them shits be like.
No, them bitches
they be
can
moving.
start all the way in fucking Virginia Beach
And
and end up in North Carolina.
Yeah.
oh, I'm going.
No, they get shut down that fast.
I'm gonna have to load. I just filled up. I know I'm gonna fill up tomorrow. I know I'm gonna fill up tomorrow.
We
So,
did one of them shits. Like we had
Bro,
popped up.
hot boy and chill is probably one of the toughest meets out here.
Yeah.
there go a cop right there too.
We gonna get his.
Oh, not Dre.
Yeah,
I think
them
that was
shits,
Dre.
bro. Like they'll set up a meet
Probably
somewhere,
was.
and then they'll meet up somewhere else. That's because the cops be like on that shit already.
Yeah. What the hell is that?
Yeah. Look what I'm trying to get.
That don't look like no plane, bro.
That's a UFO.
That's a meteor.
Zoom in with the camera.
That's a meteor, bro. Yo, that's a meteor, bro. That's a meteor.
Man, this world.
Yeah, I think that's
Jane 2.0.
who?
It says Jane 2.0.
Yeah. Is that a California special? Oh, nah. Nah, that can't be Jane 2.0 then.
This is the shit I'm trying to get.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to get to. Yeah, the wide body.
Manual too.
So you can have that manual, boy. That clutch too heavy for me.
Hey, but guess what? That manual beats out an 8-speed.
Yeah, you're right. But it's right there.
Right there, but it's off the street.
Yeah.
That bitch about dead now. That's why she got the
If it go away, it's a meteor, bro. But if it don't, it's a plane.
UFO, those aliens.
Yeah, I'm gonna say that's a UFO.
That's crazy.
No,
And I got it on camera, bro.
if it was a plane, you would have seen a dot blinking. Oh,
It went away. Nah, that bitch just disappeared, bro. That's
that's a
crazy.
UFO.
And
That was a
the aliens
UFO.
going towards the moon. I'm convinced those are aliens.
Bro, I just caught that on camera, bro.
That's word. I'm convinced those are aliens.
That's crazy. Y'all missed it?
You know, we talked them.
Oh, I was about to say, I'll play it back for you. That's crazy.
It's that rocket that just launched from Wallops Island.
Huh?
It's a rocket that just launched from Wallops Island.
You bullshit.
Nah. Seriously, they literally just launched a rocket from Wallops Island.
Oh, all right. Damn, that's crazy.
Nah. Seriously, it's all over news. They just literally just launched it.
Oh, shit, we just saw that shit. That's crazy. That's wild
It's
as
a rocket
shit.
from Wallops Island. It's NASA.
I see that shit all the time.
What, that?
Yeah.
Is that joint that's in Kansas? They
think
got
so.
they got the music in it?
I think so. No, I don't know if you got music in it.
Nah, it was a black dude that was driving the one that we saw.
I see that shit all the time.
That's wild.
I thought it was what's the name?
I ain't know they launched the rocket tonight. Who?
Dre.
Yeah, that's what he said from Maracas Island or something like that. Yeah. I ain't know, but you see how that shit disappeared though like that, right? That's crazy. That's crazy how that shit disappeared. That shit, I like the way that shit sounds.
With Pro Charge. It's either Pro Charge or Turbo Charge. I'm pretty sure it's Pro Charge.
Pro Charge, yeah, because of that whistle. You see, he got an 18 in the back and a 20 in the front. I'm definitely racing that, bro.
Like Nava said, hey, my shit running.
Yeah, man, I'm trying to tell you, that old school, that jump breathing. If your weed can't still like my hat.
You ain't coming back. That's all God.
It's crazy though, but yeah, I don't know. That joint might have disappeared because it hit in a different atmosphere. That's why I'm like, you know what? I ain't gonna say it on camera, but you know what I'm about to say.
Yeah. I'm already.
What was it? Yeah.
Your motherfucking lace front ain't touched my
You gotta
hat.
pee. You better go on.
Boy, I wish like that.
Man, all that damn bathroom in between that cup right there.
Yeah.
Somebody to pop me, trying to snatch my ass up.
It.
I got them all black.
You want your boat, Georgie?
I don't want to. My book. Fuck all that.
I slide right up in that bitch.
That goddamn beam again.
There I go. Release. And I'm back. And I'm back.
He just said, I am convinced that they are aliens. That shit was going to the moon too?
That shit disappeared right at the moon. What you talking about? Yeah, I think I'm about to slide, dog.
Yeah, you ain't lying. Yeah, see, that's a plane.
Oh, that little black bitch.
What the fuck? You just got here.
I be talking to him like that.
You just got here. Them scats sound good as shit.
It's about to get loud.
Hey, my music don't. Well, my music do make my ears pierce. but
I
not like
keep my
that.
loud music.
Fuck that.
Shit, fuck all that. I don't need to do a stop light, take off, and that shit flying off like that.
I think it's right. That motherfucker loud. Yeah. Dang. That bitch crazy, huh?
I said 10% as soon as I start recording.
They got their camera, boy.
Snapchat.
Well, I
Fucking
guess
shifters get shut down, and now no one shit popping up.
Facts. Facts. It's like
shit, we about to kill. Fuck it. I'm about to get something to eat, man.
You hear what happened about shifters?
No.
I gotta, hey, look. Before I upgrade, bro, I gotta feel like how it feel to be behind
A burnout.
muscle car.
Yeah. I mean, hey, for real, I don't know why, but real shit, you could have done it. I don't know why that shit ain't pulling for real. Real shit, cause when he had his shit, it'll pull. And it could, yeah, it'll still spin. I don't know why your shit don't. Nah. That shit loud as a bitch, bro. That shit echoing off the buildings, bro. Yeah. Damn. That motherfucker a different. That shit a different breed, bro. Yeah, we gotta get the fuck out of here, boy.
Got to get the fuck up out of here.
That's crazy.
Going already.
Now the damn traction control jump wanna come on. Alright, try that bitch now. Try that bitch now.
Right here?
Yeah,
Right here?
yeah,
I'm going to drive?
yeah. Hold the brake down to the floor.
Bitch still ain't going.
Hell nah. That's crazy. That's crazy as shit.